What's up guys, welcome to our list of the top 3 mice on the market today. Mouse 1. Logitech G Pro Wireless. First on our list is the Logitech G Pro Wireless. This mouse is designed for professional gamers and offers a high-precision sensor, customizable RGB lighting, and a light-away design for maximum speed and control. Mouse 2. Razer DeathAdder Elite. Next up is the Razer DeathAdder Elite. This mouse is known for its comfortable ergonomic design and customizable buttons for a personalized gaming experience. It also features a high-precision sensor and onboard memory for storing your settings. Mouse 3. Microsoft Surface Precision. And last but not least, we have the Microsoft Surface Precision. This mouse is perfect for productivity, with customizable buttons, a high-precision sensor, and a thumb scroll wheel for easy navigation. It also has a sleek design and is compatible with both Windows and Mac. Narrator. These are our top 3 picks for the best mice on the market. Whether you're a gamer, designer, or just looking for a precision pointing device, these choices offer something for everyone. If you want to buy this product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now.